Nas 40. Hashtag together make. With KwaMashu, we're talking about developing or rather building multiple revenue streams. So, it's in 2015, out of a sheer simple need, providing township entrepreneurs with access to information. That's why we started. So, when it comes to pitching, it becomes very important that, as entrepreneurs, like I said in the beginning, you constantly refine the pitch. What problem are you solving? Why are you actually in this? Then give us the functionality, give us the why. Then the why is the inspirational aspect of it. It's important for you to give the context.
Aerobotics is a drone manufacturing company.
Founder of Stjoti Car Rentals.
The founding director of Skydrop.
Firstly, we manufacture and supply domestic and industrial detergent.
Ekwineni kwami lana last year ngangizopitcha nganginenkinga ye equipment. Sasingakwazi ukuthi simithe i-demand because abantu babafuna ama products. But then singenayo imali eyanele ukuthi sithenge equipment. Then ekwineni kwami yangisiza lapho i-winning prize ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngithenge equipment. Then sasikwazi ukuthi simithe i-demand futhi sikwazi ukuthi si-scale up.
So how do you build a support team that can remain in the office, get things going while you're looking for the next customer? The pitfall that normally entrepreneurs fall into, they want to do everything. You can't do everything as one person, and you can't scale. So it becomes your limiting constraint.
I want to challenge everyone that is sitting here to say, guys, my biggest worry with the township entrepreneurship or township economy is that people are growing up so fast and they are forgetting the steps of learning.
Remember, people buy into you before they buy in your product. How you carry yourself will have a value.
A number of us, we get into business and then the mindset is, if I don't do it, it won't be done the right way. I have to be the one who does it, And that in effect, that then causes a bottleneck in the business because you are the referee and you are the soccer player.
Remember, full 100% of ownership means 100% of risk. So it means when you open the appetite, you understand that if you are fully in control of everything, you are also fully in control of those risks. When you meet abantu about 100, ufake into yakho yembiza above, you have exposed into yembiza abantu about 100. So it means out of those 100, khona about 3 abazothenga. So when you sleep, when you wake up, when you drink, you must drink your brand. So you must wear your brand every day.
The KwaMashu edition of the Kasi Business Workshop is none other than Nomcebo.
We win, we lose, we come, we go back, we tried our best. Asibuye spend the summer food.
Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, that then concludes our Kasi Business Workshops 2023 out KwaMashu. Thank you so much for joining us today.